guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Pride makeup look as it is Pride month. I have personally been to I think 3 Pride events, and I always, if I can't go to the main event due to work, I always make sure I try and go because I meet my friend Stuart there and his partner, and they took me to my first Pride event, and during that event I actually had a broken arm and I took a Sharpie as a joke for the people I'd went with to sign, and by the end of it everybody was just so kind and loving, and just random people on the street ended up signing my cast and asking what happened, and it was just generally so welcoming and loving and kind, and it did surprise me how much it was welcoming, and I would highly recommend you go to one. It's an amazing event and I feel like everybody should go to it at one point in their life. So first off, I'm going to do my normal because I don't have proper eye primer at the moment. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star concealer on my eye, and I'm just going to put it on my lids this time. I do need to get a proper eye base. I'm thinking of trying the Velour one at some point. From that, I'm going to go in with the Conspiracy palette, and I'm going to use the Flaming Hot shade, which is this one here, and I'm going to use the MAC 221 brush. I'm just going to put that on the top area of my eye and just bring it around here. And then for the next shade, I will blend it out more in a sec, but I'm going to use the Cheeto Dust shade from the Conspiracy palette, and I'm just going to put that in the centre area of my eye and blend it into the red. So next, from the Conspiracy palette, I'm going to be using the shade Food Videos, and I'm going to be using the Morphe 507 brush. And I'm just popping that on the inner corner of my eye, but on the top area. I will be going back over these colours as well to keep building them up and blending them together. I just wanted to put a bit of a base down first. As you can see, I am building up and blending each colour into each other. I'm just going to cut in over my crease and my eyelid area. And for that I'm using the Morphe 224 brush as well. So now that I've cut my crease, I'm going to go in with a green shade, and I'm going to use the Morphe Pride palette. And I'm going to use the shade Nature, which is this one. For that, I'm going to use the Morphe 506 brush, and I'm just going to place it just underneath where the yellow is. So the camera cut out for a second, so I'm not sure where it cut out, but I've added the purple shade and I've added all the colours back on and blended them back out as best as I can. This is how we're looking now. So I'm going to use the exact same colours and brushes on the other eye, but this time I'm going to do the colours in reverse. So the bottom row will end on top and the top on the bottom. So instead of just talking through that bit, I'm just going to go straight through it. So the eyes are done. This is what I meant with the whole opposites. They're not finished yet, but I am going to put on my foundation, my contour and my blush, and like normal I will pause it here while I do that, and I will be back in a hot second. So I've finished my foundation, my blush, I've done my brows as well, I've done contour, so that's all sorted. Now from here I'm going to quickly do my eyeliner. So that's my liner, and now is where we get creative. So from Amazon I got a pack of 5 gems, so I think I want to go with the smaller lot, and then I will add some of the oval lot. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to follow the top colours but from the opposite side, if that makes sense. Like we'll start with red here and work our way that way. These sets came with these little pencils, but I'm going to use eyelash glue. I'm going to use this little brush just to line where I want it. I'm going to go in with the red gems first. This is how the red and the orange ones look, and now I'm going to go on to green. This is my first time using gems like this in a long time, so hopefully I don't make too much of a mess of it. Now I'm going to use the blue shade. I have a dark blue and a light blue, so I'm going to go with the dark. As you can see, I've obviously not got it the straightest, but it's a bit hard to do when you're not that good at it, so I hope it looks alright though. I want to do the dark purple shade. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side, again in reverse, and I'll be back in a sec. So as you can see, they're not perfect, especially this eye, because I had a nightmare getting them to stick without my eye sticking together, so that's why that one is like it is, and this one's slightly better. From here I'm just going to quickly add on some lashes, and I'm going to add some of the oval gems just here as well. This is the first time I've worn lashes in I think 6 years. So I cannot imagine that this is going to go very well. So this is what the lashes look like. Quite proud of myself. The second one went on easier than the other. However, I am covered in glue, so I'm having a bit of a nightmare. I'm just going to add in the inner corners of my eye, I'm just going to quickly add some shimmer, and I'm going to use the Diet Cola shade, which is this one. And I'm just going to add a mascara as well. I'm going to use the sample of a Lancome one. Quite the long brush. I'm going to use the Outlook palette, and I'm going to use the Opal shade. From there, I am going to use the 24-hour Glide On lip liner, and I'm just going to quickly align my lips. And then I'm going to use this lipstick, and it's in the shade Are You Filmer? It's from the Conspiracy collection. So this is the finished look. I know a gem placement isn't the best, but I'm actually quite proud of this look, and I would love to see if anybody recreates it. If so, just tag me on Instagram so I can see it. And I know at the moment we can't go to Pride events, but I hope you all had an amazing Pride month. And be kind, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.